How to order a full wellness blood panel online. If you've ever wondered how to get a full wellness blood panel without the hassle of visiting a doctor's office or dealing with insurance, it's actually much easier than you might think. Right now, you can order an entire panel of tests online from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is go to eNational Testing, choose the wellness panel option, and complete your order. The process is quick, secure, and very straightforward. Once you place your order, you'll get a lab slip that you can take to a nearby partner lab for the actual blood draw. These labs are professional, accredited, and located across the country, making it convenient to find one close to you. After your blood is drawn, you'll usually receive your detailed results online in just a few days. It's a smooth process that saves you both time and money compared to a traditional doctor's visit. And remember, if you'd like to try it yourself, I've placed the link for eNational Testing right in the description, so you can easily check it out and get started today.